A day in my life as a construction worker. Charot! So, hi guys, here I am on our site, and of course, I will always try to experience everything in life, and I am just not here watching them. Of course, sometimes I really want to experience how do they do stuff, and here I am trying my best to bend the steel bar. I asked Arvin if he can teach me how to bend the steel bar, and then he was just laughing at me. He didn't realize that I was really serious. I really want to try it. So I think I just bent a couple of steel bars and then I just stopped because it's really heavy. But you know what? I really enjoyed it than working out for my arms workout. And kudos to him, kudos to them because they were actually really doing it well and they are so fast compared to me. I think if I'm the one who will do this, it's gonna take forever for me to finish the steel bars. So I just let him do it. So, yada! Then, of course, let's try a different thing naman. You know what? There's a story when I was a kid, I used to play on a construction site ng mga kapitbahay namin. And me and my
you can't get the workers
neighbors, we
nowadays.
were like
You just
playing
can't get the
on
workers.
top of these gravels or on top of the sand. And now I couldn't imagine that I am on our own construction site and we are building our dream house. Can you imagine? That's the big blessing. And here I am trying to transfer this gravel to the bag. In that way, it will be easier for them to put these in a
Okay.
concrete mixer. And ang kulit nga rin naman neto ni Orville. So, it's Orville. He is the one who is in charge with this. And I was just playing around, but honestly, it's really a tough job. Especially the weather is so hot. I'm really sweating. They are all sweating. And kudos to all these hardworking people. I really do have a high respect when it comes to the people that works in the field because they are really doing well and they will
Now let's
always
see you do the next
conquer
bit.
whatever they need to do despite the hot weather, despite the
What's your
heavy rain,
nails?
whatever it is, they will still do it. So they are the biggest blessings in our life because they are making everything so easy for us.
Wow! Wow! Now, come on, next bit. Yeah. Yep. Hey!
So there I am trying to lift it. I definitely can lift it because I lift heavy weights from the gym. So
Hey!
it's gonna be so embarrassing
Go
if
on
I
now.
can't. But then I'm wearing sleepers so I can't go up because my sleepers
No
is
bonus
so
for you.
slim.
I'm sorry. I don't think you've passed.
He's the one who's in charge to bring it up, and then I'm gonna go.
Hey, Miss Bossy Boots. Hang on, Miss Bossy Boots.
So there I told Orville that he will be the one who will in charge to carry the heavy bags and then I will be the one who will in charge to put the gravel inside of the bag. So that's a teamwork. It's
All
a
right, I'll
good
see you later
good
then.
and
Yeah?
it's a win-win situation, isn't
See you
it?
later.
Charot. So yeah. As much as I want to carry it, I can't go up because of my sleepers. It's so slim. And honestly, I really enjoy this experience. It's good for my arms workout, isn't it? And that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching my silliness. And please comment down below if you want me to try different things in our construction site. And please also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is just Kelly. Adios! I'm sorry you have to hear that, guys. This is just how we are, me and my fiance. That's our humor, bullying each other. I really had fun doing this, guys, and that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want me to try different stuff in our construction site, just please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Adios!